English teacher Neelam Singh ma'am. Today I am teaching you a very interesting poem, that is The Quarrel, and the poet of the poem is Eleanor Farjeon. Students, you know very well that there is always a fight between brother and sisters, and sometimes the fight is on very small issue. भाई बहन आपस में लड़ते हैं जरा सी बात पर, दे स्टार्ट फाइटिंग विद ईच अदर. So in this poem written by Eleanor Farjeon, The Quarrel, the poet has very beautifully described how the sister quarrels with the brother, and she says that she is right and brother says that he is right. So let us see what is in the poem. So first of all I am reading the lines of the poem. The Quarrel. I quarreled with my brother, I don't know what about. One thing led to another, and somehow we fell out. The start of it was slight, the end of it was strong. He said he was right, I knew he was wrong. We hated one another. The afternoon turned black. Then suddenly my brother thumped me on the back and said, "Oh, come along. We can't go on all night. I was in the wrong, so he was in the right." So these are beautiful lines and a very short poem. So in the very beginning the poet says that the sister, I here refers to the sister quarreled with my brother. I don't know what about. What was the reason? Nothing is known. पर उनकी आपस में लड़ाई हुई. One thing led to another, and one thing continued with the other thing, and somehow they fell out. Somehow they became disagreed about something. They did not have the same views about something, so they had different point of view. So there was a fight. The beginning, the start of it was very slight. Slight means very petty. छोटी सी बात पर लड़ाई हुई थी. The end of it was strong, but the end was very strong, very powerful, and quite full of tension. The end was very full of tension. Brother said that he was right. What he was saying, he was right, but the sister knew that what the brother was saying, that he was not right. He was wrong about that thing, about which they quarreled. So due to this fight, what happened, children? We hated one another. दोनों एक दूसरे से जैसे नफरत सी करने लगे. The afternoon turned black. Somehow both of them. Afternoon turned black means the atmosphere, the environment became very sad and unpleasant. Then suddenly my brother thumped me on the back. Then after some time, when the long time passed and they were not talking to each other, then the brother came to the sister and patted. आया और उसकी अपनी बहन की पीठ पर थपथपाने लगा, because he wanted to talk to the sister. And said, "Oh, come along. अरे छोड़ो ना, रहने दो. We can't go on all night. This cannot continue for the whole night. हम पूरी रात इस तरह तो नहीं रह सकते." भाई ने बहन से कहा, I was in the wrong. I agree. I admit. भाई ने कहा, मैं मानता हूँ, मैं स्वीकार करता हूँ. I admit that I was in the wrong. So he was in the right. Now the sister says that now you are right, because what you were saying, whatever opinion you had, whatever ideas or opinion you gave about this thing, you were really on the wrong side. So now the sister said that he was in the wrong. So brother and the sister, both of them, they united with each other. There was a patch up between them, and they both started talking to each other. So children, if in short we come to the summary of this poem, so I will like to tell you the summary in short, so that the lines and the poem is very clear to you. So in this summary, suppose you want to know what is in the poem, you can write in a paragraph also, that is in the form of a summary. One day the sister quarreled with her brother. The reason was very small, but they shouted at each other. But they were shouting for. The quarrel was mild at first. First of all, the quarrel was very slight, but it grew strong in the बाद में लड़ाई बहुत भयंकर हो गई. Both claimed that they were right. दोनों कह रहे थे कि दोनों सही हैं. They began to hate each other. इसी बात पर दोनों में नफरत सी हो गई. They did not talk to each other till evening. शाम तक दोनों में बात भी नहीं हुई. Then suddenly the brother realized his mistake. Then suddenly the brother came to know that really he was in the wrong. So he decided to make up with the narrator. तो उसने कहा कि मुझे एलेनोर फार्जियन के साथ समझौता कर लेना चाहिए. He walked up to her and patted on her back. उसके पास आया और उसके पीठ थपथपाते हुए बोला, ही सजेस्टेड दैट दे शुड पैच अप. उसने कहा चलो हम आपस में अपनी गलती को मान लेते हैं. ही एडमिटेड दैट ही वॉज एट फॉल्ट एंड इन फ्रंट ऑफ द सिस्टर ही admitted that he was not right, he was wrong. So the narrator also forgave and forgave him. The narrator, the one Eleanor Farjeon, the narrator of the poem, also forgot and forgave him. उसने अपने भाई को माफ़ कर दिया and they had a good talk after that. So this is the poem, The Quarrel, written by Eleanor Farjeon. So now what you have to do is listen to this video which I have listen to the video and explanation which I have given to you about this poem. इसके explanation को देखना, वीडियो को सुनना, and then I have I am giving you some questions. Note down those questions in your copy and do those questions. So that I will be giving you when you will listen to the video after 10-15 minutes. I will give you some questions of the poem so that you can do it in your copies. That is comprehension of the poem. Lines based questions. The questions will be based on the lines. You will look into the lines, children. बच्चों लाइन में देखोगे और हर लाइन से जो मैं क्वेश्चन दूंगी वो उस लाइन से उसका आंसर आपको लिखना होगा. So thank you children. Thank you very much for listening to me. Listen to the video carefully and try to understand.